Namaskar, I am Suman Naresh. In the beginning, I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. The whole world is celebrating Christmas, one important occasion. There is happiness around us, but there are a lot of lot of people who are in constant stress and depression. When the word comes stress, we think of depression also because they are very closely related. You can call them twin sisters, and the root cause is somewhere. It is the stress that has been created in our mind, in our body, because of our surrounding and our mental environment. So in yoga, there are some simple practices which can relieve us from stress and thereby from any kind of depression and discomfort. So as we all know, constant stress can lead to a lot of problem and depression also. If we are constantly in stressful environment because of certain things, certain situation, certain impact on mind or body, that will definitely lead to some kind of illness, or it can lead to discomfort or even depression. The word has become like a fashion of mind, you can say, a wrong fashion. So now, how to come out of this situation? See, when somebody is disturbed, when somebody is in great tension and stress, so most of the time nothing works, but just one thought, just one thinking process, if we set in, it can change the entire environment of mind. So the very first thing what we try to do here is to introduce some positive affirmation, some positive thought to our mind, because mind is already in a chaotic, a stormy situation where continuous thoughts are running, which we are not able to come out of it. So what the best thing is to introduce a positive thought like a seed. Now what is the positive thought? It can be, maybe we say, no, I am going to handle this situation in a better way. I will come out of this situation. God is with me. I belong to God. I will do for Him. I will do better for my family. I'll be happy. Let me think of solution. Some kind of positive stroke. Or if all these things are not possible, at least talk to someone who trust, some relative, some friend or family members who will give you, who will introduce some positive thought, some positive stroke to your mind in that stressful and depressive situation. So this is the first thing. Now, once you are able to give some positive affirmation to your mind, those good positive affirmation like I will be okay. This is the simplest one. I will be fine. I am going to do fine. So this has to be repeated. Repeated at least 127 times. At least 27 times at a time. Say for example, if you're doing now, I am okay, I am okay, like it is like a chanting, you are repeating, I'll be okay, I'm going to be fine, I'm going to be fine. 27 times you have to repeat. And then again, at least 3 times a day you need to repeat for next coming 27 days. So this 27 count is very, very important. So this is the first step. The second step is we have to focus on our breathing. You have to be with your breathing. So here what we do, we take deep inhalation and deep exhalation slowly without exerting ourselves. Like you take deep inhalation. If you want, you can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then exhale. Exhale out. Take a long exhalation. Doesn't matter if there is no rhythm. Again, you take deep breath. Just feel the sound of breath. Feel yourself, feel your lungs, feel your shoulder. Just try to feel your body and then exhale. Again, this has to be repeated at least 27 times with, you can take lot of breaks, but 27 breath you take at a time. Again, this has to be repeated 3 times a day for 27 days. The count is important. This is like a task. One task, one homework, one assignment. Now third thing is the very, very important part of our pranayam in yoga, that is a Brahmari. So Brahmari I have made a separate video, but just to give a glimpse, what you need to do, you take a deep inhalation and then while exhaling utter the sound of M, like swim. Take a deep inhalation, utter the sound of M while exhaling. Again take a deep inhalation. Again while exhaling utter the sound of M. Now this has to be repeated 27 times. You can take any number of breaks and 3 times a day at least. Ideally speaking, 5 times all of these things has to be repeated. And then the last one is the fourth one. The stomach should be in healthy condition in these states. In any kind of stress and depression, you have to take care of your stomach. You have to eat well, lot of vegetable fibers, juices, fruits, and if possible some jaggery if you are not diabetic, some sweet, something. The eating habit has to be proper. You have to keep your stomach healthy. So all these practices definitely will take you away from this mental state of negativity, stress and depression to a positivity, to more functional, more active, more happy state of mind. But this needs to be practiced. Without practice, nothing is possible. So these things will act like a light in darkness. So let us follow this light of knowledge which yoga has given and make our life and the life of our people, our friends, relative and family, and thereby the world a happier place to live. Take care. If you have liked the video, please share it with your friends. You can click on like button. If you have liked it, subscribe to get a good practical knowledge of several things in yoga and health related things. Until my next video, take care, be happy. Jai Gurudev.